Hey, what's up, guys? Let me pause the video really quick. Just want to show you guys what this is for. As you can hear, there is a Rattle noise from my Tesla Model Y triple camera area. I had this issue before, they fixed it, but recently I replaced my front windshield. This problem came back. So I made an appointment with Tesla Service Center. They asked me to do a drive with the technician in order to recreate the problem. But they don't have the part, so they had to schedule me another mobile service to do it at my home. Oh, there's just one screw.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
So they're saying something's broken? Oh, I see.
Okay. What do you see? Oh, because they taped it?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I see the tape on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like the housing is broken, or what do you call that, bracket?
I'm not sure what they call it. I have to look up on my phone.
Oh no, that's fine.
The sail, I believe they call it the sail.
You know, sometimes like this rain sensor is kind of acting weird.
Yeah, we don't have a rain sensor anymore. We use the cameras.
Oh, so right now they don't have a rain sensor? It's just camera?
Correct.
Oh.
Just use the cameras to detect the rain. So yeah, our auto wiper feature is still in beta. Still
Yeah, sometimes it's kind of like swipe. Even though there's nothing, you just like drag on my windshield.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They really taped it up there, didn't they? Okay. So this is the part I'm replacing.
It's interesting, like this part could make a squeak, not squeak, but rattle noise.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
Take a look at the old part. Don't see any problems, to be honest. I don't think anything's broken.
No?
No, you think the reason they taped this just to adding a layer of protection so there's nothing hit on this frame and making the noise?
My guess is, see this tab here?
Yeah.
My guess is that these tabs are broken off.
Okay.
On this, is that the case?
Let me open it up, take a look. Yeah, to be honest, I couldn't really tell which part is broken on the tab.
Interesting.
You see that?
Yeah. It's fine to me. I don't know.
So the issue is every time I drive, I can hear a rattle noise from my triple camera area. There are 3 cameras. So we're thinking is a housing right here. As you guys can see, this. It's a clip sitting on this. It doesn't sit that tight, so they're creating a gap between the housing and the windshield. So when you go through a road that is not even, you could just hear like the vibrating noise from the housing. Let me pause the video in here really quick since I didn't record it. So after I found out the issue, I told the technician to tape this housing using some foam tape. So this prevent this housing to rattle. Basically, that's what the previous technician did. He taped this housing to prevent the housing to rattle, but somehow after replacing the windshield, the noise came back. After that, the technician just put every part back in the car. I did a test drive. Everything's good. So this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.